So somebody on one of the videos said that they are struggling with emotions when it comes to trading, and they asked if I probably have some tips on how to handle emotions whilst you are trading forex. So we'll talk about that in a few seconds. Otherwise, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Go ahead and like the video. If you do not learn one or two things in this video, at least I'm guaranteeing you some entertainment. Otherwise, there are some more informational videos on this channel, so check them out after watching this video. If you're looking for free stuff, forex robots, indicators, books, systems, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. I've been happy with them since I started trading around 2016, so I hope they will make you happy as well. At least I know they will make you happy as well. Okay, so let's get back to the video, how to deal with emotions during trading. I think before I give you my tips, what you need to understand is that emotions come with experience, like emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence comes with experience in the market. So it's not like something that you just wake up and you say, I'm emotionally intelligent in the market. Let's face it, your money is on the line, so you are bound to react a certain way when you are losing, or you are bound to react a certain way when you are winning. But with some experience, then you kind of gain that sort of emotional wisdom. So if you are struggling with emotions during trading, don't worry about it. We've been there, but you can certainly teach yourself to handle emotions. So what is the first tip that I can share with you when it comes to emotional intelligence when you are trading? First of all, I would say don't always look at your charts. Do not always look at your charts. I hope that sinks in. What you want to do is do your analysis. Do your analysis. Then, after that, what you want to do is to, when you place a trade, walk away from your charts. During my early days, I promise you, because I was emotionally unstable, I would panic and I would close my trades too early, only to come back and the trade has moved so much in my direction that I could have made a lot of money. And because I'd missed those opportunities, the next opportunity, I'll probably let my trades run for longer than they should have, and I'll definitely take a loss. So what you want to do is don't always watch your charts. You want to move away from your charts. I promise you, the charts will start playing with your mind. They will start playing with you. For example, during this period where you start seeing consolidation, and eventually it goes up. Probably, let's say, this is just theory. Probably you took a buy somewhere here, or you took a buy somewhere here, and then they started playing with your emotions all this way. These are actually 4-hour time candles. They started playing with your emotions, here, and before the trade actually went up, and many people would have closed their trade and thinking, it's not going anywhere. It's probably just going to go and drop. and let me just close my trade, and they come back, the trade was actually there. So one thing that you want to learn with emotional intelligence is don't always look at your charts. Charts have a way of messing with your mind. Even when you are correct, charts will start messing with your minds because the prices will just go up, go down, go up, go down. And if you are a person who's not confident in what they are doing, you'll probably close your trades too early. Point number two, I found most of the time when people are emotional in the market is because they've actually risked too much than they can bear. Probably a person has risked so much that their account, if prices starts moving against them, they probably stand to lose a large portion of their account or even blow their account. That's why people become emotional in trading. So you need to use proper lot sizing, proper position sizing. There are many tools online where you can actually calculate the right position sizing for your type of account, for your size of account. So in order to handle emotions, make sure you are not risking more than you are willing to lose. That's what gets people emotional. You cannot breathe. You cannot sleep. You are always sweating. You are tempted to always come and look at your charts because you have risked more than you are willing to lose. So I always tell people that as a trader, your first goal is not to make money. Your first goal is to manage risk. You are a risk manager. That's what you need to be aware of. That's your priority. Manage your risk. Don't focus on the money. Make sure that if anything goes against you, at least tomorrow you can still come back and play the game again. So, part of why people are emotional in trading is because they risk more than they are willing to lose. Taking too much risk for their account size, don't do that. You find that you'll be able to manage your emotions better. You'll be able to sleep better because you know your account is not at risk. Third point, what you also want to understand is you might have the best strategy in the world. You might have the best trading system in the world. You might have everything best in the world. But trust me, the markets are the markets. And you need to accept that. That's why people are emotional in trading. Sometimes they think they have the holy grail of trading and they are losing money. And they bang their head against the wall because they can't handle the idea of losing with the and they cannot balance it with what their idea of having the best trading strategy in the world. What I'm saying is understand the process. Just love the process more than the money. Love the process more than the money. What you're going to do is when you open your charts, you are going to do everything possible. You are going to do everything possible to shift the odds into your favor. But after that, accept accept that the market is still going to do what the market wants to do. That's where a risk management comes in so that you don't sleep having nightmares. If you have good money management, you have done your proper risk management. Even if moves against you, The market does that sometimes. You need to accept that. It doesn't mean your strategy is wrong. It doesn't mean your trading style is wrong. It doesn't mean your robot is wrong, your indicator is wrong, whatever you're using. The market does that sometimes. What you want to do is focus on every trade. Make sure you have shifted the odds in your favor. After that, there is nothing else that you can do. Let the market do what the market wants to do. Accept the outcome. Sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose. There is nothing to be emotional about it. That's the market. The market does what it wants to do. All we can do with these strategies is to try and shift the odds in our favor. But nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in trading. So don't kill yourself if it doesn't work out. If you have any other tips of how you can handle emotions during trading, or something that you use to handle your emotions during trading, leave it in the comment section below. Let us help each other. Otherwise, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.